Good morning, children. Welcome you all in this class of general knowledge. Today we upgrade our knowledge related to language and literature. This is page number 5 of your GK book and this is fact file. In this page we get new information about languages. Languages are important for us because through languages only we can share our thoughts, our feelings, our ideas and other things. First of all, in this page you can see a boy is asking a question to you. Do you speak English? You should say, yes, I speak English and I am trying to make my language, make my speaking better. In this page so many informations are given. So the first information is the English language has huge vocabulary of over 250,000 words. This is really a huge vocabulary and it's a sign of an advanced or classy language. So English is a classy language, an advanced language. The second information is Chinese language is spoken by the largest number of people. You know that the population of China is very large. So Chinese language is in this position. The third information is English has the second highest number of speakers. English is an excellent language and a large number of people of so many countries speak English. Then the fourth information is the sound made by some animals are expressed in interesting ways in English. We can express the sound of animals in different ways. Examples are here. First is hens. The sound expressed by hens is cluck. We can express it as cluck. Cluck is the way through which we can express the sound of hens. The sound of parrots. The sound of made by parrots is expressed as talk. The sound made by hyenas is laugh. The sound made by monkeys is chatter or gibber. Then the sound made by foxes is expressed as bark. And the sound made by vultures, eagles and hawks is expressed by scream. Now the fifth and the last information. In English language, the plurals of many words are quite unusual. They do not follow any specific rule. Earlier you know that whenever you have to change the words from singular to plural, you add s or es or ies. Today you will know that the plural of many words are unusual. Examples are given here. First of all, the first example is, the first word is axis. The first word is axis and the plural form of axis is axes. The second word is, you can see that the spelling of axis and axis, it doesn't follow the gender rules what we used earlier. Now the second word is basis and the plural form of basis is bases. It also doesn't follow the earlier rules you know. The third word is oasis and the plural form of oasis is oasis. Do you know what is oasis? Oasis is a place in the desert where there is water and where plants grow. The fourth word is hypothesis and the plural form of hypothesis is hypothesis. Then the next word is radius. The plural form of radius is radii. The last word is medium. The plural form of medium is media. In this way, fifth page is completed and I hope your knowledge is enhanced by watching this video. You will write all in your copy, read and learn it.